How to convert Facebook account into business page. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look up for a method on how we can change our Facebook account into a business page. So without any further delay, let's begin. But before beginning, I want you to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open your Facebook account and make sure you're logged in. After that, you need to go to your profile. Just tap here and tap on your profile. So changing your account into business page is very easy. You just need to tap on the three dot at the side of your profile, and here you should be able to see this turn on professional mode. What you need to do is just tap on this turn on professional mode and tap on turn on. After tapping on turn on, wait for it to be load, and you may just fill up the form accordingly. After that, you need to set up your professional account. Just follow the steps, and after that, when you turn on your professional mode, your account will be changed into a business page. So thereby, by following this method, you can convert your Facebook account into a business page. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.